Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been a little shaky. There is a lot of panic in the market, and that can be seen by how Bitcoin fell under 90,000, but it was able to recover at that price target very quickly. Just under a couple of hours, we were back above 90k. This could be seen in two different ways. The greed is very high, but at the same time, the market is very optimistic as a lot of limit orders must have been triggered. If you pay attention right now, the trading volume has dropped just a little bit for the whole market, but the greed is still holding very strong. There are some whales which are deciding to buy into this Dogecoin dip. Now you can see this one decided to buy 10 million at the price of 40 cents. Kathy Woods thinks this bull market has just begun. We got a long way to go. Why analysts predict further growth for Dogecoin could be more explosive, and 230,000 new investors could join the crypto craze very soon, and that could bring in a lot more money. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin and the whole crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It just helps the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening with Dogecoin. They increase the user engagement, more inflow of cash, and we're going to be seeing the price go explosive. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to talk about the price action. The price action is finally showing signs of a little bit of aliveness, or you can say a little bit of strength. Now, if you pay attention, we have retested close to 35 cents a couple of times. Now, this time, which was just about 24 hours ago when Bitcoin fell quickly, Doge did the same thing. It was able to actually break that support, but for a very short time. But I mentioned recovering quickly was a good sign, but we need to make sure that we do not retest that place more times. And that's exactly what Doge has done. Only one retesting around 35 cents, and now it's very, very strongly holding above 37.2 cents. What is really interesting about this is you need to understand today morning when Doge actually retested close to 35 cents was when Bitcoin actually broke below 90,000. But Doge was able to hold really strong, even though Bitcoin made it all the way down to 88,700. Which is quite crazy considering the fact that it broke below 89,000 again. Doge was able to hold strong considering the fact that it was still above 35 cents already shows how many whales are paying very close attention to Dogecoin and holding the price and ensuring that it does not fall short. Now, the Polish presidential candidate owns 33 Bitcoin, which are worth over 3 million. The Bitcoin adoption is unstoppable. Now, why is this a big deal? Because more and more politicians, as long as they decide to put more money into crypto, it's going to be very beneficial, because at the end of the day, the politicians still want to make money themselves, and when they get involved in politics while they're still involved with crypto, they're going to be definitely supporting crypto from the back end. And the best example of this is our boy Trump, because Trump, soon as he has come into power, that crypto did go explosive, and the reason for that is he's actually a pro crypto. The amount of people he's expecting to lay off to ensure that he's able to replace them with people who have better stance on pro crypto, it's a good deal. And keeping in mind that the SEC CEO or the chairman, our boy Gary, will also be taking a step down, clearly suggests the fact that there is going to be some sort of pro crypto person that will be taking that spot. Another thing which is interesting is Ramaswamy, who is the second person with Elon Musk who will be loading, or let's just say leading, Doge, says some government agencies will be deleted outright. Now, that's a strong statement. Now, just so you guys know, this person has a lot of money for himself, so he's not in the shadows of Elon Musk. Definitely, Elon has a lot more, but he knows, or this person knows what he is doing, which is Vivek. Now, presidential-elect Donald Trump's nominee to co-lead a new department, Doge, said on Sunday that some federal agencies will be deleted outright and that contractors may see massive cuts in what they can charge when the incoming administration takes the office next year. Now, this is a big statement because you need to understand, cutting off a whole department or federal agency is a really strong step in, I don't know if it's the right direction. Keep in mind, I'm not from America, so it doesn't have anything to do with my politics. But if you talk to me about crypto, this could be a big deal because a lot of people are going to be in a little bit of panic and maybe actually decide to buy some of the crypto. And seeing that this new department that was created is actually Doge, you guys know that most of this money will be flowing into something that a lot of us are waiting for. Now, this whale, as you guys can see, decided to purchase their initial Dogecoin around the price of 7.5 cents. They purchased about 16 million. If they just decided to hold that, they would have already made quite a good amount of profit. Now close to 15 cents, they purchased more. Then they decide to wait until 12.2 or 11.9. And then now the last purchase they did was close to 40 cents. So expecting that the price will climb even higher is a big deal. And Cathie Wood, who, if you guys do not know, is a very, very big investor. She's the CEO of ARK Invest. And if you guys do not know ARK Invest, well, simply look at their asset value, $7 billion US. So she knows what she's talking about. And she's saying that crypto is just a beginning. What you're seeing right now is just the starting, and 2025 will truly show you what power crypto really holds. And why analysts predict that there's further growth? Well, in simple terms, technical indicators are showing that. Whales are buying a lot. Doge, which is the new department that's created, is going to be bringing a lot more attention to crypto, and market is very optimistic. If, let's just say, if Bitcoin decides to cross 100K, the amount of explosion that Dogecoin will be doing, you will be able to see that it is definitely worth a lot more. And 230,000 new investors joining this. Well, the reason for this is you need to understand, despite the global excitement around Bitcoin, the Reserve Bank of Australia dismissed its role in the Australian economy. Speaking at the annual Australian Securities and Investment Commission forum last Thursday, don't call it an alternate currency. It's not a currency, it's not money, it's used for some sort of asset class. I don't understand, I don't really see the role for it, and certainly in the Australian economy or the payment system, not sure of the purpose. This is big because there is a lot of Australian people that do invest in the crypto market, and the Dutch financial regulator point out the danger of crypto after Donald Trump's comments. Now, Donald Trump has been a really strong pro-crypto, so this person is a little scared if US decides to follow the steps of him. It will be a really strong pull in the way that Trump is trying to bring. And Dogecoin's open interest is up another 9%, clearly suggesting even though Bitcoin is having a slow growth, Doge definitely has more explosive growth. And the long to the short ratio, still sitting in the favor of long by quite a big margin. And this is another whale which you can see has been buying quite a significant amount of Dogecoin pretty much every single day. And finally, I want to show you guys this, which is Michael Saylor hints at a micro strategy upcoming for Bitcoin purchase, which could aim at 42 billion. So get ready, we got a long way to go. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.